Hi, Kendra Lee here, and I'm here to chat a little bit about my animals. Do we have to get in the bowl? Guess we have to eat right under each other's noses, do we? Why do we have to eat his? It's being a little rude. There's plenty of pumpkin, but we're gonna fight over the spot. Come here, buddy. You back it up. There you go. You got some right there. You got a mouthful. What are you worrying about him for? Yeah, now they're gonna be loud. Now you need to come over here. That's his spot. You can back it up. There you go. See, now look, you're gonna be pushing out your pumpkin. Come on. You got a messy face. She still smells it. Huh. You know there's one more, huh? Where is it? Oh, where is it? Where is it at? You gotta find it. I hid it over in the carriage. Yeah. You gonna sniff it out? Get your chunky butt over there. Chunky, chunky. You're gonna find it, aren't you? No, you're gonna take a little flour with you, stick it in your pouch. Are you enjoying your rose quartz? Your aventurine? How about your soda light? Say hello. Hello. She's got stuff on my dock. I want in it. I'm pouting. Would you like your canoe up? One more step, lady. You're going down. Here's Dash. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hey, Cam. Mo. Hey, Momo. Why you guys got dirty water? Hmm? Why is it so dirty? What's up? What's up? Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Don't fall. So there's the Lizzie. She's a cutie patootie. Except for when this happens and it just drives me nuts. So she thought she's freaked out. She disappeared. She's so confused.
Where the fuck you come from?
She saw him disappear and she was looking for him, panicked. But yet there's a scary noise happening,
Yeah.
so she's thumping. And he just throws it up. Surprise, shorty! Oh my god.
That help assure that we have fair elections. Is there some one thing that keeps you up at night when it comes to election security and election integrity? Well, there's a lot of low-hanging hand recount of all of the ballots across the entire state. Well, there's like 11 to 12% of Americans who vote on completely electronic voting machines. If we just got rid of that, we would take away one of the ways that an election could be manipulated. There's lots to do, but just overall, what's keeping me up at night is the idea that we are not the strong democracy that we once were. We rely so much more on norms than on laws. We need to have people of good faith running our elections.
Awesome. Appreciate it. That's all I want to think. Well, thank you. Reminder, this Thursday, CNN's going to mark one year.
Who gets to designate who is the
honor those heroes who protected our democracy. Today,
Really, Jolly? No, no! No!
shot after shot.
So this was the day that somebody got into my arts and crafts box. And there were stickers all over the floor and little jewels. And I was asking the bunnies which one of them did it. And they both told me no. Except she left a little surprise. Can you see it? Well, that's it for a few of our furry and fuzzy friends. We didn't show any of our aquatic friends, as in our finny fin fishy friends, but maybe next time. Stay tuned for that. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already to Two Leaves in a Pod. Make sure you hit that like button on this awesome, super cool video. And remember, have a great day. Talk to y'all soon. Toodles.